What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you the easiest way to clean your C drive on your Windows PC. Over time, your system accumulates unnecessary files, which can slow it down and take up valuable storage. To free up storage, let's start with clearing out temporary files. Search for Run in your Start menu and hit Enter. In the Run dialog box, type temp and click OK. If prompted for permission, click Continue. This will open a folder containing temporary files that Windows no longer needs. Select everything inside and right-click to delete all the contents in the folder. Some files might be in use and can't be deleted. Just skip those and delete the rest. Now, open the Run dialog box again, but this time type %temp% and click OK. This will open another folder with more temporary files. Repeat the same process. Select all the files and delete everything inside the folder. Finally, open the Run dialog box one last time. Type prefetch and then click OK. If prompted for permission, click Continue to access the folder. Select all files and right-click to delete all the contents in the folder. These steps help clear out unnecessary cache files, making your system run more efficiently. Next, let's empty the recycle bin. When you delete files by right-clicking and selecting Delete, they aren't actually removed from your system. Instead, they sit in your recycle bin, continuing to take up space until manually emptied. To free up that space, locate the recycle bin on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Empty Recycle Bin. Confirm the action and all deleted files will be permanently removed. Doing this regularly prevents unnecessary storage buildup. Now, let's remove unused programs. Many applications get installed over time and are rarely used. They continue to take up space on your C drive. Search for Add or Remove Programs in your Start menu and hit Enter. This will open the Installed Apps section in your Windows settings. Scroll through the list of installed programs and uninstall any unnecessary applications by clicking Uninstall and following the on-screen instructions. Removing unused software can free up significant disk space and improve overall system performance. Next, let's optimize the C drive. Open this PC or File Explorer. Locate your C drive. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Tools tab and click Optimize under the Optimize and Defragment Drive section. In the new window, make sure the C drive is selected. Then click Optimize again. This process reorganizes fragmented files, allowing your PC to access them more efficiently and improving system responsiveness. Finally, let's run Disk Cleanup to remove additional unnecessary files. Search for Disk Cleanup in your Start menu and hit Enter. Select the C drive and let Windows perform a quick scan. Once the results appear, check every available option to remove junk files. Then click Clean up System Files for a deeper scan. After the scan completes, select any available options again, click OK, and confirm by selecting Delete Files. The cleanup process may take a few minutes, but once it's done, your system will have significantly more free space. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully cleaned your C drive, freed up storage, and improved your system's performance. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.